So we'll see how we'll configure the OS services monitoring on a Windows server. I'm here, I've just opened my Windows server where I have, yeah, this is the OS services analysis. Here I have already configured a service called Spooler. We'll just navigate to the OS services monitoring settings page here. We'll try to add one more service for the demonstration purpose. This is already configured service which is running on my Windows server. So here, from here, we need to select the OS like Windows or Linux, and the rule name should be usually the service name, and this condition is anyways by default there. We need not change anything here. We just need to add a rule which was added here, as you can see. So rule scope is OS service and the property is service name, and the condition is this like we just need to add the name of the service. So I am here now in the command prompt. We'll just see the list of services which are there running on my Windows server. So we can just pick one of them and configure that on Dynatrace. So these are the services that are running on my Windows host. We'll just randomly pick one. So this is the command that I have given to just list out all the services, and these are the services. We can just randomly pick any one of the service here and configure the same on Dynatrace. So let's take CDPSVC, Connected Devices Platform Service. The service name is CDPSVC and the below is the full name of the service, but our condition, whatever condition that we take, that should match the service name. That is, for example, if it is this service, script SVC is the service name, it should match that, and the below is the service name of cryptographic services. Let's add this on Dynatrace, but it should match the service name which was given there, like crypt SVC. So here in the Dynatrace OS monitoring page, we should just need add policy and select the Windows, since we are doing it on Windows host. And the role name should be, usually it's like cryptographic services, as we are now trying to add that service. Usually we can give the service name there. So this is the previously configured service which I am trying to just copy the condition from here. This is anyways there by default, equal to running. This is the rule name. So I have given the rule name of cryptographic services. I'll just open and show you how it was configured. So okay, so it was Linux, it should be Windows here. If you are doing it on a Linux host, you can just select the OS as per your choice, like whatever you're doing. So I'll just copy the condition from here and change the name of the service. It's saying equal to Spooler. The same thing we'll just copy paste here. Okay, from here we just need to add on the rule. Rest everything is okay. Windows and cryptographic services, only the detection rule should be added. From here we'll just add the rule. Here it is OS service, and for the service property click on service name and should be equal to, this is the condition. Please see, this is the format it should be given here for it to detect. And will just change the name to the service name, which was, as we have seen before, it is crypt svc or something. We'll just rename it to that so that it will be detected. We'll just rename the spooler, replace it with the current service name. If you need the condition format, if you're not able to make out from here, like, please let me know so that I can add the same in the comments. I'll ping it in the comments as well. So here it is crypt svc, which is our current service which we are trying to add. Just need to save the changes, and let's go back to the host and see if it is captured. Usually it will take a moment to refresh and reflect here on the host page. So let's go back and let's refresh the host once so that it gets captured. So let's navigate to the host page again. See if it's added. Still not getting reflected. Usually it takes a moment to reflect that on the page, like just a minute or two. Go to the settings. It is still not getting reflected. Okay, this is what we have added. Alert if the service is not installed. Usually this doesn't have anything to do with, we just will enable it if in case it is not, but it is there, it is installed, and we have seen already it is running. Let's see if it got reflected here. Okay, so now it shows up. The status is shown as running, and we have the two services in the running status. So yeah, this is how we'll add OS services. See, these are the services. Let's try to stop the service and see how Dynatrace it should throw an error actually. So let's stop the service and check the same. So we have added this. These are cryptographic services. Let's stop the service. I'm just stopping the service. Just to test it. I'll go back to the Dynatrace page. So let's go back to the Dynatrace and look for the host where the service is running, and yeah, so you can see here a problem has been generated. Cryptographic services is in undesirable state. So we'll be getting an availability alert, so saying that this service is stopped, is in an undesirable state or stop state. So yeah, you can further configure alerts on this. Maybe we'll further talk about how an alerting profile is configured and how these problems are integrated with email or ServiceNow or PagerDuty in the further videos. And even I'll talk about log monitoring, dashboards with Data Explorer, and or the new dashboards using DQLs, and how log monitoring is configured and how we can get alerted based on a particular log in the upcoming videos.